all set to participate in MSME event which is going to be held in UAE, and it is going to be hosted by UAE officials, and all our MSME business owners are ready to jet off to Dubai, to UAE. So we will be having a word or conversation with them and asking them what are their expectations regarding this particular summit. Sir, how excited are you to go to UAE for this particular summit?
Yes, we are excited because end of the day, it is a local to global where Indian MSMEs are going out of India, they are going to Africa. It's always nice to see them expanding their footprint. So I'm extremely happy to see all the groups going.
What kind of relation do you find between
Chad economy is opening up, Africa is opening up. So when Africa is opening up, we are expecting a lot of Indian companies to go there. Healthcare sector is one, solar sector is one, IT sector is one, where we are expecting a boom and where we want Indian MSMEs to go and make their footprints.
Do you think it is also going to impact the economy-wise?
Yes, end of the day, it's the dollar that we are going to earn, and it's the dollar that we are going to earn, and it's the dollar that's coming back for this. So all of them are Indian business owners who will do their footprints. The vision of the government is always local to global, and that is what we are practicing.
Chad is proposing 10-year visa for
Yes.
How do you look at that?
I see as a very, very positive development towards the growth of Indian MSMEs going, setting up businesses there, investments there. So I think it's a very, very positive sign.
And what do you think about our Prime Minister? What kind of benchmark did he has set up so far that globally India is being recognized so much?
Thanks to our Honorable Prime Minister that today the businesses are growing, and today his vision is that Indian MSMEs and Indian corporates should have a world footprint. ये जो हम देख रहे हैं, it's only courtesy the very good policies that has been laid down by our Honorable Prime Minister.
So we have more delegates will be speaking to them. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
Myself, Vinod Singhal, founder of VSC Group.
सर आप लोग आज UAE जा रहे हैं?
हाँ.
चैट का जो समिट है, तो बेसिकली कैसा क्या कुछ आप एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
We are very excited to on this trip under the leadership of our vibrant PM Modi ji, Vision 2047. It's a lot of opportunities internationally. India is transforming and in very good manner. So as a founder of my VSC Group, we have a lot of multi-dimensional activities under that. Infra, technology, financial services, etc. So we are very much excited to look forward of the Chad summit.
What will SME development play in Chad and UAE summit?
It's a lot of opportunities and lot of developments regarding the investment advisory, coordination, MOU tie-up with the international tie-up in the interest of the India as well as the Chadian government also.
How somebody who is going to UAE for this particular event, how they're going to get an official, because this is only for
Under that, we are the member of the MSME Forum under leadership Director MSME Mr. Ravinandan Sinha. He is inviting and request us to join this summit, and we are excited to join the summit at Dubai, at Abu Dhabi as well as the Dubai also.
And what kind of B2B collaboration opportunities will be available for Indian and UAE based enterprise?
It's a lot of opportunities. Under that, solar energy, wind power, financial collaborations, investment opportunities, there are the number of the opportunities. We will look forward in that summit.
So as you saw in the video that all the MSME business owners are very excited for the UAE Chad Summit, and how excited are you for this particular event? Do comment and let us know about it.